Hi, this is Peng Fei. This is my 90 day to quit my jet plane. Today is still on Sunday. I already make a video on Sunday, and I just want to do the progress. And of course, here I'm going to do is update this chart and see whenever my other income is, which is my internet income. This one actually should be internet income, which is able to exceed my monthly expense instead of using my salary income to sustain my expenses. I can use the internet income to expense my life. Then I will be able uh, to get out the red vest. And this is actually the trend. And right now, totally negative, but have faith, can get right. So today I did this monitor this one. It just take a little bit time. Traffic. I actually still gonna buy the traffic source. Also about the traffic, I noticed that some of the market that they be able to produce an amazing result just using the Facebook. I'm kind of like so amazing, free traffic. But again, I'm still gonna stick with the paid traffic and free traffic altogether. I might be gonna spend a little bit time on the Facebook just to get the free traffic, generating as well because I really haven't started anything on Facebook. Although I do join just some of the online money making group. Yesterday, you can see the member approve. And I'm just going to IM people and try to make friend and to increase the uh, the uh, communication. For the traffic source, I see some posting from Michael regarding to the expire. It's down for you. Traffic is coming. Gonna remove the middleman and would be 75 cents. So I'm definitely looking for that as well. Because right now the traffic source I have, unless it's Udemy solo ads, is less than 60 cent, 50 cent. Otherwise, MLM leads and the human eyes for they all more than $1. And regarding to Udemy solo ads, so far I have two ads. One is from Square Skillswiz, and the result is I got the 32 up in out of 100. And the second one is for the Marcia, and you can see the name here. And the result is similar. I actually got the similar result. Actually, all the have because every one coming, I have a different URL to track it. So this one is Marcia. So I'm going to, I think is one more. I just look at that 33. As you can see, I also have a chart. The first one is a stack with, and second one is Marcia, and the per click is 30. Click rate is 32%, and Marcia is 33%. And this is how much I pay, $72.64. Marcia definitely cheaper. So this one basically 72 to 100 or the 70 100K, then 70 cent per K, then this one is 64 cent per K. 32% up in rate and 33% up in rate. This based on how many up in. And you can see the Aweber pretty much has similar count. You see the number is more on the Aweber because I do some of the testing on Aweber as well. Same thing with another account stats, and this is actually I do some testing. This is first one is me. So yesterday I also working on the email sequence, and this is what I did. My the batch email is 34% open rate, 2.9 for the second one, and that's so far. So far is second day for stats. Then for the Masia, I'm not sure why the open rate is not showing up here. So not even one. So there's something problem. Let me check. So far, my main legacy campaign, I have 20 emails so far. It's already written. Since I update the main campaign, this is the campaign I actually copied the campaign. So I'm going to load the campaign again because this is only show 5. My main campaign have 20 because I update a couple of them yesterday. Okay, so I just load the campaign. You can see now it popular 20 because I just do that. I'm going to do that same thing for another one. Okay, another one is done. Okay, it's load 20, and this is for another campaign stack. So this is what I did today, so I can check here. I'm not making the progress every day. Every time I download, check if it's something in detail, I'll write more detail. Okay, I made another product called Odoo9. This is my consulting business. I'm developing the e-commerce business website for others, so this is not income. Okay, actually, I have a pending order for $1,200 to developing the website, so I'm going to working on that later. So far in my Expire, I have two using the team rotator. I do not have purchased any traffic yet. This is my test email, so actually just two. The good thing join the Expire, I think, is two. One is you actually get training of how to do the traffic, and they have a good traffic source, discount traffic source. The second thing is you do not have physically call someone to close the sale, and this is a more high ticket affiliate and private product label. So this is very important to have someone to call to get a sale. Regarding to my ebook, I really don't have any the sale yet. I don't have any the review yet. Although I am giving the book out free for getting the review. It's $7.99 to buy, and this is I have showing zero because I have Amazon Unlimited. I can borrow book unlimited because I pay $9.99 per month. It's 148 pages. This book is about list building, and I put in very detail and put some technical part in the background. So you can see it's $7.99 and free for Kindle Unlimited. By the way, TSG launch is amazing. As you can see online, always has thousands of people online. Right now it's 1,700. I was seeing like 5,000 people online over there, and I just put the $100 over there, and so far I put buy the iPad. So right now you can see the earning is $4 and something, and we purchased $2 and total 186 and something. And I put the I still have $180 in the balance. Tricky part is TSG need to serve the A. After that, you need to click the populator earning. Otherwise, your earning won't actually start. And this is Odoo9. People ask me to set up the server on the DigitalOcean or on the Amazon. So I'm going to do this. This is my core actually provide to them. Basically, I quote them for about $1,297 to actually migrate the entire website. This is the e-commerce website I'm doing. This is not the regular 9 to 5 job, but this is my side job for people actually coming. This is my company, Aloo Technology. So this is potential customer, Michael. So I'm hoping to get in the business of this one general as well. Again, multiple streams of income is very important, especially when I first start. If I try to quit my job in 9 months, I need to try to find all the way to making all the different multiple stream of income. Because multiple stream of income is very important. I don't even know that those ratios are not helping me and to certain level or something, but I know that ratio is definitely give me starting to have a buying the budget to buying the traffic. For the product wise, I do have some people sign in. For those traffic I purchase, I do have some people actually coming in, but I don't see any commission, so I don't think they put any money, but they just start, that's okay. Because so far I really only have 146 subscribers. If I using like one subscriber for $1 per month, I really only have $146 per month of income power. And back to ratio for the click delivery, I'm going to withdraw like $10 per day for now. So right now Payza has $10 allow me to withdraw right now, so I will withdraw $10. I'm gonna do is request a withdrawal, and I'm going to next screen to withdraw $10. I put $10 and there's some fee receipts $9.8, so I'm going to click submit through the Payza account. And I type my password and request successfully, so I just withdraw that $10 and it should be actually showing the PayPal. I'm sorry, Payza I mean. So it should be showing here $10. Well, this is from yesterday from another one, but I probably need to refresh. Also, the Bitcoin is kind of going crazy. When I first started, it's like 470. Right now, it's 470, $100, like more in like just 1 month. I'll go back to here, and I'm going to say that I withdraw $10. So withdraw $10. Actually, I just got the 980. So I really actually using the real numbers. That's why you see the number is here. Okay, so 980. But I'll just put $10 and okay, I'll put 980. I'll minus that fee. But in the program here, I want to make sure myself knows, so I'm gonna write down. I always write down the detail. Okay, detail information. Okay, so that's kit delivery. Thank you for watching. This is my